Brothers and sisters in Islam, I want to speak to you about something very important during the month of Ramadan. Many people have developed a habit. As soon as the adhan for Maghrib is called, they sit at the table, they break their fast, then they continue eating and drinking. Then come the sweets. After that, they get up, go to the bathroom, make wudu slowly, and finally they pray. By then, the time of Maghrib may have already ended, and they don't even realize it. Brothers and sisters, Ramadan is not just about food. It is about obedience. The sunnah of the Messenger of Allah was simple and clear. He would break his fast with dates. If there were no dates, then water. And if there was nothing, then whatever was available. Then he would rush to establish the prayer. He would pray first. Then he would return to continue his meal, calmly, peacefully, and at ease. This is balance. This is sunnah. And this is what we need to revive. The time of Maghrib does not end simply because your calendar says so. Maghrib ends when the redness in the sky disappears, and that time differs from country to country. In some places, it may be 45 to 50 minutes. In others, it could be an hour. In some regions, even longer. But here is the important part. Scholars in Islam were very strict about the time of Maghrib. Among the well-known opinions in the Maliki and Shafi'i schools, the time of Maghrib is short. Some scholars said it is only enough time to make wudu, cover properly, pray 3 fard, and 2 sunnah. That's it. Roughly 15 to 20 minutes. This shows you how urgent this prayer is. Even look at the hadith when Jibreel came to teach the Prophet ﷺ the timings of prayer. On the first day, he led the Prophet ﷺ at the beginning of each prayer time. On the second day, he led him at the end of each prayer time. But Maghrib, on both days, it was prayed at its proper time. This is proof that Maghrib is not meant to be delayed. It is an urgent prayer, unlike the other prayers, where there is flexibility within their time. So don't fall into this mistake. As soon as the adhan is called, stand, break your fast with a date, drink water, establish the salah, pray with your family, then return to your food. You will eat with peace.